The 2025 Rimac Nevera is an all-electric hypercar that continues to set benchmarks for performance, engineering, and innovation. Limited to 150 units worldwide, it incorporates advanced technologies and materials to deliver unparalleled performance and driver experience. Here's a breakdown of its key specifications and features. Performance. Power, 1,914 horsepower from 4 independent electric motors. Torque, 2,340 Nm of motor torque, with up to 13,430 Nm at the wheels. Acceleration, 0 to 60 miles per hour in 1.7 for seconds, 1 foot rollout. 0 to 300 kilometers per hour, 186 miles per hour, in 9.22 seconds. Top speed, 412 kilometers per hour, 258 miles per hour. Quarter mile, 8.25 seconds. Range, 490 kilometers, WLTP cycle. Powertrain and battery. 4 independent motors and gearboxes ensure precise all-wheel drive with advanced torque vectoring. 120 kWh battery pack with liquid cooling and a 730V system. Fast charging capability up to 500 kilowatts, reaching 0 to 80% charge in 19 minutes. Chassis and aerodynamics. Carbon fiber monocoque structure integrates the battery for rigidity and safety. Active aerodynamic components optimize downforce and efficiency. Adjustable suspension and brake-by-wire system provide superior handling, features and customization. Driver-focused interior with the highest quality materials, including leather, carbon fiber, and aluminum. Active safety systems, including torque vectoring, stability control, and advanced braking systems. Ultra-customizable interior and exterior options, including bespoke paint and trim combinations. Nevera R variant. The Nevera R is an even more extreme iteration, focused on track performance, power, 2,107 horsepower. Improved cornering dynamics with retuned torque vectoring and Michelin Cup 2 tires. Lighter 108 kWh battery pack and enhanced aerodynamics, including a fixed rear wing. Lap time improvements and refined steering for sharper feedback. The Nevera R has a limited run of 40 units, offering a highly exclusive ownership experience with enhanced